Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be conducting a little rice experiment, or with a slight twist. So I guess the premise of the experiment is you are supposed to cook some rice, put it in jars, and then one you talk to mean things, one you say nice things to, and the other you just ignore, and then you see what happens to the rice inside the jars. So I'm doing something similar. I am doing 5 jars of rice though. And for that, so I got the 5 jars of rice there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there we go. And on them, I decided to go ahead and do I say nice things, I say mean things, ignore, and then I'm also adding 2 other jars of rice. Think nice things and think mean things. So during the day, I don't know if it's really gonna matter, but whoever wants to can pick up one of the jars, and except for the ignore one. The ignore is just gonna sit there, and then we'll see what happens to these jars. So I'm gonna put them all in the same kind of location on the counter here. And what I'm gonna do is give you guys, I'll do like a video over time of these things, and see the progress or lack thereof. So yeah, that's what we got going on. Sounds like a cool experiment. I've seen it on the internet quite a bit. Thought I'd give it a shot with the 2 added jars. So guess we'll get started here on it's the think nice things. Okay. No, I don't know how long you're supposed to do this for, but I don't know, maybe like 10-15 seconds or something. Otherwise it might get weird, right? It might get weird. Okay, that was maybe weird anyway, but ooh, okay, this is think mean things. Okay. Okay. Say nice things. Oh, look at you, nice little jar of rice. You're beautiful, and look good to eat. Kind. You is smart. You is precious. You is adorable. You're wonderful. Great to look at. You look tasty. Just hope you're having a good day in there. Love you, rice. Is that weird? Is that weird? Yeah, good rice. Happy rice. Have a great life. Okay. Oh boy, the same mean things. This poor jar of rice. You are stupid. You're ugly. No one cares about you. No one likes you. No one wants you. You're dumb. Worthless. Stupid. Garbage. Refuse. Despicable. Lower than scum. Black mold type. Garbage. No one wants you. Refuse pile. Throw away. Horrible piece of trash. Sorry, you had to hear that. Okay. So that's just kind of what I'm going to do with the jars there. And I got them on the counter there. They're all kind of in the same position. They don't really get direct sunlight or anything like that. And we're just going to do that, and the kids are going to do the same thing. You just kind of follow the directions on the lid. And so, yeah, just going to keep doing stuff like that maybe a couple times a day, or maybe more, actually, with as many kids that I got. Anyway, we will keep you guys updated. Tomorrow we'll see if there's any change in anything. Might be too soon, but you never know. All right, well, thanks for watching, and have a great day.